Hello again, Mazda RX8 lovers. Today we have these two sitting here. This is a regular RX8, I believe. It came with a bottle of shampoo of all things, and then this is a Mazda Speed RX8. Both of these are made by Choro-Q, and it's nice to see that they have different castings. But I found a third casting, so let's get these guys out for now. And this is from this Kodawari series. This is number 18 in the Kodawari series. And it says 2003 right there. So I was looking at this, and yeah, the front end is quite different. It's like these photographs of a 2003 RX-8. Oh man, this tape is so annoying. Okay. So the Kodawari, most of them have printed on wiper blades and these like tax stamps or whatever these are, registration stickers. Only the Nissan Cube I've seen from this series doesn't have those. It is printing elsewhere. Here's the foreshortening view. I'm not sure if this is like this little skirt. Is that stock or that's an add-on, I think, because the other two photos don't have it. So that's not the best photograph. My bad. It also has a rear wing. So I think the rear wings might have been optional as well, because the front view had a rear wing, the side view had a rear wing, but this one just has a little lip. Might be hard to see because it's black here. There you go. They're really hard to hold, so big, so small. Alright, so this thing just has standard 5-spoke Choro-Q wheels, but they're actually pretty close to those original ones, so the stance is a bit high though. And then you have this nice little, molding for the cutout of the door handle and the door itself, the door ridging there. This looks like it's 100% black, but I don't know. No, it's not. You can see a little bit of the gear of the motor inside of there. So the printed on graphics look pretty nice. Yeah, looking good. There's a raised Mazda badge here. No paint though, but that would be pretty easy to paint, I think. Alright, so I think that must be the same dark plastic as the windshield. This whole body is one piece of plastic, I think. Nicely, nice texture in here. In there as well, some fog lights. And, well, that's just black, I guess. So there's a little silver here for the side marker. And then this side looks okay. No indication of a fuel filler, though. Sometimes you have that, sometimes you don't on these ChoroQ Kodawaris. Taillights, whoa, that's cool. I don't know what's going on. I wonder if this is the black of the plastic and then they just printed on the circle. It's very effective though, it's cool. It's very subtle though. Only in certain light. This is a really bright photo booth. So the exhaust detail is a bit lacking, of course. There could be silver there, and it's not even a circle. It's really weird, I don't know why. Oh, maybe they pulled it out of the mold that way. That might be why. Alright. So there's the date there. Standard construction. Yeah, so you can see the darkness of the smoked plastic. Alright. Now, I'm not a fan of these wheels, so I'm going to need a moment to swap these out. So I put on some repainted Hot Wheels Real Riders. So they look like the Watanabe F8 ones. Big fan of those. Looks pretty nice. I like it in this lowered stance. So let's bring those two other RX-8s out. This one just has a stock chrome wheels. And this one, I don't know where these wheels came from. They're just in a grab bag of wheels. So, alright, so there we go. I would say, well, I don't know. Which one do you guys like most? I think I actually like the stock one because it has the clear headlights. This is a close second because it's got nice printing on the taillights, but it has printed on headlights, which I think are inferior, although it does have silver painted exhaust tips. This one, I don't know, it's just weird. The graphics on it are just strange, so it throws me off. Although that one, again, has nicely painted taillights and exhaust tips. So I'm not sure why this one has such weird exhausts on it. But that's just the way it is. For comparison to all three of them, I'm gonna fit on this 1/64 scale one that I have from Aoshima. Unfortunately, it's got this crazy Itasha livery, meaning Japanese cartoons, plastered all over it. Here's a top view. So let's get this guy spinning on its own. It doesn't make sense as turning on a freeway like that, but whatever. It's a cartoon, it can do what it wants. Alright, so if this is a yellow character, today I got a couple new cartoon characters. I don't know who this is, but he's got yellow hair. And it's made by someone on the back, I can't tell. But that's his car, apparently. Alright guys, well thanks for checking this one out. If you like RX8s, this one was for you. If not, maybe something tomorrow.